not everyone who is online is a trader. If you have come to get money in this business, your purpose is to get money here. Go and do any other job. You are going to lose a lot. 90% of traders lose money in the market. 10% win. If the brain understands that alcohol is bad, do you think it's going to allow you to drink? But if you drink and you say that I'm happy, for the brain is going to give telling you craving alcohol, and you find yourself when you're addicted. So if you feed your brain the right information, you are going to be getting the right things. If you feed it rubbish, you are going to get rubbish. Choose wisely. Don't allow everyone to feed rubbish in your head. 90% of content creators that you are seeing on internet, they are not successful traders. And claim yourself as a trader. Don't just hear that sound of MT5. Wow, then you say I'm a trader. No, claim yourself that you're a trader. You are supposed to be making money in a consistent way.
And we are back like we promised. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Rukundo, son of Sam FX. My name, as usual, Nikrash256, and today we have a very special episode where we're going to be talking about the social media lifestyle where your mentors are making money and you, the followers, are not making any single coin. As you know, this is our podcast. Me and the big man, we always sit down to answer all your questions that you always send in our DMs. Be it trading, demo competition, prop farms, what, everything around the business. We are going to be going into bits, why, the do's, the don'ts, You guys are buying VIP signals, you're not making money. Your mentors are selling VIP signals, they are making money. What could be the problem? Mr. Rukundo, welcome back to the channel again.
Auntie, you have been calling me saying, son of Sam,
yeah.
I have to meet you. I have one of the hottest questions.
Yes.
I'm even feeling nervous for the very first time on this podcast.
Yes, because people, the members have been asking questions.
Yeah.
And I've been noting them down, and I was like, the next time we are sitting together, we are going through this. It has been bothering so many people, including me, but let's sit down together, analyze it with you guys, and let's hear from the big man himself what he has to say about this. Why do so many social media traders appear successful while their followers struggle to make money?
You have asked me a very, very good question. By the way, every answer that I'm going to give on those questions that you're asking me, I have what we call direct concrete evidence on it. That means it is going to be the right information.
And that's exactly
so you have
what
asked
we want
me
to
a
hear.
very good question. So to understand that question, it is very easy. Very easy. Why mentors are so successful?
Yeah, and their followers.
And what their followers are still struggling, are
breeding.
breeding.
Exactly.
So it is very simple. As you see, 90% of traders lose money in the market. Do you know that?
We know, everybody knows that.
10% win. So how do you know that I'm having someone who is among 10%? It is one of the difficult questions that you're supposed to be asking yourself.
That's
because
right.
Not everyone who is online is a trader. And I always tell that people question. I always tell people that not everyone who kicks a ball that is a footballer.
Yeah.
To claim yourself that you are a footballer, you are supposed to be playing it on a professional level. Are you understanding it?
I get you.
I'm coming to answer your question. So, even me, I can kick the ball. Even me, I was once a footballer. I know all the basics of football because I was even playing in the second tier of Uganda. But do you think I'm a professional? Am I like the guy who's playing in the Premier League? No, because those guys who are playing on the top flight, they are among the 10%. So I'm not saying that everyone who is online, the mentor who is online, their followers are not succeeding. No, few who are online, there are few who are online and their followers are succeeding. But they are 90% of everyone who are seeing online, they are not traders.
Does this mean it's easy to become a content creator for Forex trading than becoming a profitable, successful trader?
Exactly. By the way, there is
with a proven strategy.
There is someone that I can't mention, is one of the biggest mentors. He came into my inbox. He said, son of Sam, I've seen your videos about psychology or what. He said, for me, I know everything about trading, but I want you to help me about psychology and I want you to help me about psychology because me, my trading is good. But the truth is that my friend I'm breeding and is having over 30 subscribers on Telegram. Everyone is following him and is breeding.
And he's an influencer for trading.
Exactly. So
But he's not making money himself.
Exactly. He's not making money because let me say, everyone who comes here on the internet, they sell courses.
Yeah, this is
because
true.
trading, it is having new terms and new everything. When you hear someone talking about trading, you are going to say that this guy is a very good trader. Because you have had new terms, MT5 you have never had on it, strategy, candlesticks, all that, they are not, you have never heard of them. So if you hear anyone talking about it, you will just think that he's a very good trader.
So this typically means like it is easier to build a profitable brand than a profitable trading strategy.
Exactly. Me, there is someone who told me when I was not making money, when I was breeding in 2020, said, but you can still make a content and you'll be earning on content when you are teaching others.
Yeah.
Then I was seeing myself, me where I was born, it is very hard to write someone and I start writing saying, I'm teaching you the business that I'm not making money on it. I told my people, I said, no, before I make money in this market, I will never even post on my status that I'm a trader.
Yeah.
Because I would be like someone who's kicking a ball and is carrying himself as a footballer.
Yeah.
Because even me, I'm having even the student that I'm teaching. They have been telling me, son of Sam, I want also to start content. I want also to start teaching trading. Give me advice on that. And I'm feeling scared because that guy is going to be having followers. He's going to be reading them and directing them to tell them what? To teach them how to lose. Are you understanding? So let me make things clear. 90% of content creators that you are seeing on internet, they are not successful traders.
So
10% of them, they are successful
content
traders.
creators?
They are just content creators. They just make money. And even when you pay the course, they will never teach you. Because I've received very many guys, they are saying, son of Sam, you are one in the million.
Yeah, because I'm in your VIP group.
Yes.
And for your information, guys, the Musumali strategy is ongoing. We have VIP classes, $300, non-negotiable. The link is in this bio. Don't go getting links from anywhere else. Our official Telegram channel link is in this group, on this channel, in our bio. Endeavor to click on that link to join. If you want to join our VIP, please tell them that you have this VIP class that's going on.
Some people, they may say, now they are talking about this, is reading us to his VIP group. No, do your due diligence.
Yeah.
Go in the comment section and you see how the guys are talking about that.
No, the
person.
reason why I went to
Make
the
your
VIP
research.
class is because I'm in it as well, and I've been seeing how the people in the VIP are reacting. Like your channel, the VIP group is very interactive. Everyone is very happy. Everyone is showing results.
Exactly.
After a lesson, I can see people commenting. They're like, oh, son of Sam, thank you for this class. I didn't know this. This has helped me. This is indeed VIP. This is indeed VIP. And I'm like, I've been into so many trading channels since I started trading for the past 6 years. I've been in so many Telegram groups of trading, VIP strategy, VIP signals and all that. But I've never seen a channel that is so interactive with positive comments like that, where people are now like real trading. And because they've been in the VIP group.
The answer is very simple. They are receiving information from someone who is
First-hand.
making money in the market. That means if I'm teaching them the same things that I use to extract money in the market, automatically that person is going to be consistent, successful trader. I'm not hyping myself.
Yeah.
No. In Uganda they say, no,
the certificates are in the
test
group.
me and you will see. But what I can tell you, the reasons why I even come in this industry, do you know it?
Cleanse.
Yes, exactly, to do cleansing in this industry. Because I remember my girlfriend went at their home and they asked her, but your husband does which job? He said he's a trader. Hey, he's also scamming people. Imagine that. People, they have spoiled our job. And that's why I came in this industry.
And the reason why I wanted us to sit down and talk about this exactly, because I've been getting so many DMs of people who have been taught by the so lavish style traders we know here. I want to mention names. They're on TikTok, they're on Instagram, they are flashing the lifestyle. But the people they are teaching, the people we're not getting anything. They're like, so and so taught me trading, so and so taught me trading. But Nikki, I'm not getting any money. Me things are not clicking.
And
What's
when I
not
was
happening?
at campus, there was what we call the bureaucracy. They were telling us, and me, I started public administration. They see someone who is on the top is drinking in the big jar of milk. Then someone who is down here is just getting a little drop. But here in trading, it is not like that. I remember when I was on live, when I was trading live on YouTube. By the way, we always trade live on YouTube every Tuesday. When I was trading live, someone told me we entered the same trade. He said he made $2,000 US. Me, I made 1,000 on it. But because for him he's having enough capital, he's making a lot. I understanding. So it is not like the way you are seeing the bureaucracy and all those things of administration that the big man on the top is the one who's supposed to eat a lot. No, here everyone can win as long as you are having the right information. So what I can tell you, before you jump any wagon, first make your due diligence, understand. Because if I saw you my big watch, if I saw you my car, is it going to help you?
No.
That's why even me, I'm not posting my car. I have it, but I can't
But
post
this
it.
is why
because
people pay for
can the
VIP.
car going to help you? But maybe it motivate you.
Yeah.
But me, what I can tell you, what I can give you, we are in the market. What do we want? To extract money in the market.
Exactly.
I always post my certificate showing guys that I'm extracting money in the market, not the car that I'm buying after correcting your tuition of the course. I'm showing you the withdrawals that I make. I can show you the best strategy in the industry, the famous smart strategy, which was created by Son of Sam himself.
The one and only.
I have one of the best risk management in the industry. It is the one that I can tell you.
I love your psychology.
Psychology, I developed it endorphins out of overcome self-sabotaging beliefs. I'm the one of the complete trader, I think, in the whole world. I'm complete. That's why I can tell you.
Full package.
Yes, I can tell you. I'm like Nick Rush. She's beautiful. Everything she's having.
Clock it.
I remember when we were even walking, there is a man who said that lady is having the curves are like roundabout of one decade.
Go away. So, Ruku, the big man.
Yes.
The signal groups.
So I'm like Nick Rush in trading. In the terms of beauty, the way you see like Nick Rush, she's a complete trader. When we are walking, everyone, they are in my inbox. Is Nick Rush married?
Guys, it's only business, please. I beg. So, Mr. Rukundo.
You can confess, are you married? Okay, leave it.
So, go on to the following to this. Do signal groups create dependency rather than a skill?
And I was teaching my guys. Every time they used to come to me, they say, Son of Sam, do you give signal? Then after teaching them, they said, do you know, Son of Sam, signal was killing him. Then
yeah,
I told
like
him,
they are creating dependency instead of a skill.
Now what you have learned from me, after understanding everything like the one I'm telling you, I'm having simplest age. Everyone, when we are entering, everyone is entering. As long as you are in my group, everyone knows what to do. Then I told him,
this is why I loved your VIP. Like everybody knows what to do. Yeah.
We are entering the same trade. They
are not depending on
they
you.
Can alert me. They say, Son of Sam, see there is Musumar on the USD.
They also tell you now.
Yes, and I also entered that Musumar when I was not on chat.
Yes.
So we are really enjoying there. So what I can tell you, I asked the guy, he has been with me for 6 months. He told me, do you know Son of Sam? Signals, they were killing me. Then I told him, if someone tells you to go in signal, what do you tell him now? He said, I can tell him, you go and eat your mother something. Because he said he was dying on the signals group. So if you are still buying signal, trust me, you will never be successful trader.
You will never be confident in taking your own
I just left my side one of the greatest quote that I always like so much. I've never seen someone who becomes rich by being forthrights. Forthrights are the person who is depending on somebody else to enter trades. You are depending on someone. What if I'm mad? What if today I'm not doing great in my mind? And I give you, put just your man on table because you have just had someone buy.
It's like buy gold.
And I always laugh when I was in one of the signal groups, not to buy the signals, but to be laughing. Someone can say, enter gold sale. Then after entering like a gold sale, then after like 15 minutes, enter, buy now. Then after losing, buy. Okay, guys, we can sell now. Then after winning that sale, you say, yeah, we have won that one. After losing that, and I'm saying myself, I wake up one day, I see where the market is going. Is it in uptrend, downtrend?
Yeah.
If it is in uptrend, I just look for buys. But you find someone telling you, buy, sell. Are you?
Put stop loss here, stop loss
That
2,
is
stop loss
one
3.
of the difficult things, and I always feel sad. If you are still paying for signals, trust me, you will never be a successful trader. And if you are still paying for signals, please just go get your cup of tea. Visit my YouTube channel. Watch all my videos. Are like Netflix. Even me, sometimes I was watching them and I was smiling. Even my girlfriend asked me, hey, you also enjoying watching yourself?
Yeah, I know,
because
right?
I told him, yes, of course. Because one day, do you know I was sleeping? When I was sleeping, I dreamed about that I want to be like son of Sam. And I was very happy, so excited when I was dreaming that. Said I want to be like son of Sam. Then to wake up in the dream, I found I'm son of Sam. Do you know that I was the happiest man on the planet?
Guys,
The only person I
you can
admire in the
never
whole
with this
world.
man's
The only,
conversations. Rukundo, please.
the only man I admire in the whole world is son of Sam. Understanding?
So you are your own biggest fan.
Exactly. Even me, I can be watching my videos when I'm smiling. I enjoy watching my videos. Can you believe that?
Okay.
With one of the sweetest accents in the
So
world.
to top up on that, Mr. Rukundo, do you think account size matters in becoming a profitable trader? Because I've had so many traders trying to be like, oh, maybe I need $100 to start. Maybe if I get 1,000, my journey is done. I want to go broke again. Please enlighten us on this. Does account size matter in becoming a profitable, successful trader?
So you have said, you have asked me one of the best questions that you can ask any trader. Do you know, even me, when I was going to start trading, my sister gave me 2,000. But I was saying, I wish she had given me like 10K. I was going to make a lot of money. But do you know what happened? After getting that 2K, it was like 1 month. It was 2 weeks, I think, it was gone.
Back to zero.
Back to zero. So I was saying, I lost that money because I had little capital. I wish I had enough capital, I was going to win that money. I was going to be making money. But all that, it was stupidity. And someone who comes, they always ask me, son of Sam, if you are teaching me, how much capital do I need? And I always ask them,
how much can I deposit?
That's why 90% are losing money in this market.
Because recently, a few days ago, someone reached out to me and she was like, you know, I have $200. I want to deposit. Maybe I grow this account to somewhere, you know. And I was like, please, you rather keep this money, get off some money, come buy our demo. And to remind you guys, we have our demo competition that is ongoing. Everything is in our Telegram. Join our Telegram, you will know all about this.
We have demo competition, we buy a prop farm of your choice. By the way, it is non-profitable circle.
Yeah.
You just enjoy cheap thrills.
We are here to help all traders.
At just $13, you get account of.
So I told her, $200 to deposit and start trading. Please, no. Get the $13.
So
let's get the 5K
that you are
account.
Asking me, it is, what you are telling, it is one of the stupid questions that someone can ask you when he's going to start trading. They always ask me, son of Sam, what capital do I need? I tell him,
and they
capital
also,
to do what?
They always have this question as well when you land on some traders, they'll be like, how much are you trading? How much is your capital? You see now they want to weigh you, depending on the capital you're trading.
And that is one of the, I can tell you, it is one of the stupid things that you can ask. And it is the reason why, by the way, 90% are losing. You are not supposed to come asking me, how much am I going to be making monthly? How much capital do I need?
Yeah.
Ask me, how long is going to take me to get those skills that are going to be helping me to extract money in the market? If you can ask me that question, I can die on you. But very many people will ask me, which capital do I need to start trading?
How much?
I tell him,
how much should I deposit?
Why can't you get that capital and you go somewhere and you start selling tomato? Because it is where you need capital. Here we need skills.
Exactly.
Because after getting skills, there are companies that are going to be giving you capital to trade with. Exactly. Do you know how much I'm managing now?
No.
Over $2 million in capital. But how much investment did I invest?
I don't know how much.
Zero, because I have skills. Because those companies, for example, Prop Farm, I put like $300
Yeah.
and I buy account of 50K. They give me a test. After giving me a test, they say make 10% on first phase. I make it. Make 5% on second phase. I make it. Then when I reach on drive, do you know what they say? Get your $300 that you invested. Now we have approved you as a good trader.
Wow.
Then after making money, you start withdrawing. Almost 80% for them, they take 20%.
And they give you back the money.
It's
You used
300
to
that
buy
you invested. That
the
means you are
account.
going to remain with account with capital of $50,000 when you have invested zero. Do you know what it means?
Oh, wow.
It means what? It means
you
here
just
we
need
need
the skill.
skills.
You
We
not
don't need
capital.
capital.
Yeah.
So, which question did you ask from the beginning? We
Like,
first
how does
summarized it.
account size affect the outcomes of a trader? Like,
It
does
is
it?
what I'm telling you. The account size is stupidity. What you
Yeah.
need is skills. Because after getting skills, all the capital you
You will
need,
have.
you will get it and you will start making a lot of money. Even if I make 10% in the whole year, I'm good.
That's true.
I'm very okay. Because 10% of 2 million, do you know it?
That's like
Almost a
100.
quarter million.
Yeah.
If I can make a quarter million in a year in the country that we are living on, here we have cheap
You're good
slaves.
to go. You're good to
Are you
go.
understanding it? So you don't need any capital to make money in this market. You need skills. And those skills, I call it what? The holy
The holy grail of trading.
of trading. And who is having the holy grail of trading?
The big man.
Exactly. So go on my channel, you get that holy grail of trading.
Okay.
Or if you want to get that holy grail of trading in full swing, 100%, you can come in our VIP. We are not here. It is not all about the money. No, it is all about facilitating for anyone.
Because
Someone who wants
also the lessons are on YouTube
yes,
as well.
they are even on YouTube. If you
you can
can't afford
use those
$300 go and enjoy cheap thrills on our YouTube channel. We are trying to facilitate for everyone. Now, for example, I be trading with my VIP people every day. But I can say also they are my brothers and sisters on YouTube
Yeah.
who can't afford to pay
So
for
yeah, on
$300.
Tuesday, I
Every
noticed.
Tuesday I go there and I trade with guys and they always extract money in the market. If you say son of Sam is selfish,
Yeah, I know.
that means you are
You don't
are
know.
wrong. Maybe one day I will give up on human race because I'm trying to be praying like a day.
You've tried your best.
Yes, I've tried my level best.
So, Mr. Rukundo, we are juggling with the copy traders, VIP signals, and all that. Can copying trades ever be a reliable long-term strategy?
No, you will never be a successful trader. Now, do you know what I do in my VIP? Guys, they come and study in my VIP. I promised them I would be trading with them.
Yeah.
After reaching there, they were all excited. Son of Sam, are we going to start making money now today? I told them, no, relax. What we are going to do, I'm going to first teach you my age. After understanding my strategy, then we are going to start extracting money in the market. And indeed, I had to teach them my strategy. The famous smart strategy is almost 95.
The beats and the ups and downs and
90%
everything.
Then 90% of it, because I knew after teaching them, at the end of the day, they will not even ask me for
No, they are not.
setups.
Yeah.
What I do, we just trade together, trading the same strategy. Even if I'm sleeping and they get that strategy, someone can bring in that group and they confirm, they say, yes, that is the Msumari. Let us put water for
Karo.
because every time we see Msumari, we are going to do what?
To eat.
Exactly.
Yeah, they'll be eating.
It is different with someone who is relying on signals. Me, I don't give signals, but I trade with my traders after
You
teaching
teach.
them what
You want
to do.
you want profitable traders.
Yes,
the
I'm
ones
trying-
that can rely on themselves.
Yes, everyone can kick a football, but to claim yourself that you're a
Wow.
footballer, you must be playing it on a professional level. And to claim yourself as a trader, don't just hear that sound of MT5, wah, then you say I'm a trader. No, claim yourself that you're a trader, you are supposed to be making money in a consistent way.
So, Mr. Rukundo, so on this social media illusion, how much of trading success online is performance versus reality? that, you know, we've seen a very luxurious traders online and the internet versus the reality. So how much of trading success is online
And you
versus
see,
the reality?
human psychology, they like seeing things. They want, if
Muganda
they see
agamba,
someone,
masogo muganda gali
yes,
mungalo.
if you see someone now like Son of Sam is wearing this one with his name on it.
That is cheap
I understand
things.
things. That is very sweet, Son of Sam. Bland. I'm wearing the watch of 5K. I move out in my Range Rover with my shoot. And when they always see me in my shoot, $2,000 shoot, they say this guy is having a lot of money. Then I also get motivated to come in this trading. Yes, trading can change your life, because me, I was once a fishmonger. They told me, Son of Sam, you always change problem. You were a fishmonger. You said brick making.
Yeah, they say
Then
every now
people,
you'll
they
be
don't know that
changing.
when you are struggling, you can do everything.
That is very true, by
People,
the way.
they don't know that.
Yeah, people can
Me,
juggle
I've done
jobs.
a lot of jobs. The one that I can't even mention here. I wrote a lot, but trading changed my life forever. So if you see me in my $2,000 shoot, wearing it, and you admire the shoot, no, it is not good. I can't advise you in that way. That me, I can't reflect on the internet that I'm having a Range Rover, that I'm having all this, or I saw my car, then to motivate people to come in trading. No, come when you are knowing that this is a professional that is going to require all the energy that you have in your gallery. But trust me, when you put in all the energy and the effort that you are going to put in, one day you are going to get a reward, and you start asking yourself, oh, is it all that my money? You remember, Nick Rush, when we were still working with Handtech, when I beat Handtech and they had to close their offices in Kampala.
Tell me about it.
I made a lot of money on that Handtech. It was a lot. I have never get that money in my lifetime. Do you know what happened? I had to keep pinching myself. I was even scared of sleeping, thinking that if I'm going to sleep, then I wake up when I'm poor.
When you're
that
not
is not
Sam.
my money. I'm still dreaming. And I said, I'm not going to be sleeping. And every time I'm sleeping, I pinch myself to see, am I the one who has made that money? Because I used to check on my bank account and I say, for sure, hard work and endurance, it can make you
and
to
consistency.
achieve what you have never even dreamed of.
I know.
Because for me, I don't know the money that I've made in trading. There is no any other job that can pay me here in this country. Maybe if I'm going to go and I start stealing people's tax in the government.
Yeah.
Maybe it is how I was
Embezzlement.
Yes, embezzlement. Because there is no one who is getting any salary here in Uganda who is having money more than me. I can tell you, even the asset. Without embezzlement, even a member of parliament, the money that is making in a month, I can still make it.
This is true.
But because they embezzle funds, I'm not saying everyone, but they are people, they know it.
I know,
especially in Africa.
we know. So, Mr. Rukundo, do you think luxury lifestyles are used as marketing tools rather than proof of trading success?
There is no any consistent successful trader who is going to be
luxury
you call it
lifestyle.
what? Reflex.
They are flexing on the internet.
Flexing on the internet, showing watches, showing big cars. Trust me, if you go in background, a lot of money they are getting it in endorsement.
Are they marketing tools instead of
they
trading
are just
success?
marketing tools. They have very many followers. The brokers, they are paying them that money so that they can influence others to trade on their platform. They are selling courses. It is where they are getting money. They are getting what? That's why for us, we real traders, we are not having even a big follow.
I know, right?
But few who are with me are winning, I can confess. And trust me, those who are going to stick with me, they are going to keep winning forever. And I always tell them one thing. We are in the darkest night waiting for the greatest dawn.
I know, right?
And when that dawn comes, it will never go. It is going to be like Norway when you are facing even a midnight sun.
So in this contest, do you think, Mr. Rukundo, in this contest, do you think there should be more regulation around financial content online?
If there are some traders that I can even get and we fight until judgment.
Oh, you take them to the prison.
Because I always see them misleading people. I fight until judgment day, and if I'm a regulator, many of them, they would be in prison. Because they are misleading people. Do you know that there are some guys who came telling me, Son of Sam, I sold my car, I had my car. I sold my land.
I've had
someone
mislead
me.
Now,
Said,
like
if
today,
you put that money, but how can you scam someone who's like $100,000 US? You are trading for him, and
This,
you just disappear, and you go and sleep. How people
This
have
has
been
this
like
has
that?
this has happened because today we were on a call, me and you, a lady, a 50-year-old woman who was like, she was like, you know, I've lost all my earnings because of mentors and trading and all that. Rukundo, what can I do right now? You see a woman in her 50s.
Yes, someone was scamming him his money instead of directing him. Do you know that for me now I'm making people to become consistent, successful traders at just $13? Do you know that? There is a lady in Kenya. She was watching my videos. She understood my strategy, my risk management, and my psychology. She came. Me, I said, okay, I'm going to have demo competitions. If you pass that demo competitions, I'm going to buy a prop farm of your choice.
Yeah.
And at $13, you get the one of 5K. So she paid $13. She did my demo competitions. After passing them, using my strategy, I know, yes, if you can pass my demo competition, you can pass any prop farm.
Yes.
Do you know what she did? I bought for a hand-take account of 5K.
Each trader.
Each trader. It is, by the way, it is one of the best prop farms. Then after buying for her hand-take of 5K, she continued and made $600.
Oh yeah, I saw the post in the group.
Yes, she is posted in the group.
Yeah.
So I've made how much?
She made the withdrawals how much? Around 600?
Yes, at $600. So at just $13, I've made someone to make $600.
Yeah.
That means I can.
And also with the skill, remember?
So can you tell me will that trade ever sell her hand? Does that trade ever roast all his savings because he's coming in trading?
No.
And that's why very many people and very many mentors are misleading people. And when I can touch one person, we can fight until judgment day. Because they are killing people psychologically and mentally. For you are driving good cars, you are doing all that, but there are some people who are cursing you in background. And trust me, one day you are going to die on something that you doesn't.
That's why today we decided to tackle this topic because it has been bothering a lot of people. They are seeing their mentors.
Bring your money and I trade for you. How can you trade for someone when there is prop firm that they are giving capital to son of Sam, the brick maker, 2 million? You don't need me to give me your money and I trade for you. Me, I will never trade for you. Because now tell me, I can say, okay, you come and do my demo competition. After passing my demo competition, I buy a prop farm of your choice. By the way, it is non-profitable circle. I did it and I invested 2,000.
Yeah.
It forgot what has done for me. It's what I decided. So I say, pay $13, I will do for you top up. If you lose, we are going to use your money to buy for someone else.
Yeah.
Because you are not serious.
Yeah.
But you can lose one and you lose the third one. Okay, let's say that you are going to lose 10 accounts.
Yeah.
That is $130.
Yes.
But there is no way you can lose 10 accounts when you are with son of Sam.
Or consistently like that.
Consistently like me. That means there is higher chances of you becoming consistent, successful trader when you have just used it. Not more than $100.
If you're serious.
So do you think you can sell your car because of $100?
People have sold
Can you sell your land because of $100? But there are some people who have come to me. They
Trading
say that
has
I'm going
taken
to
people
die.
back to the village.
Exactly, because they have poor mentors who are misleading them.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
You
goodness.
have brought one of the best questions. That's why you are calling me, Nick.
Yeah, I wanted us to tackle this.
Best questions.
Yes, I wanted us to tackle this because
I wish we can repeat them every video so that people can get aware.
I know,
there are
right?
some people who are
And
killing
I know
people
it's going to
because of this business.
It's going to soothe a lot of hearts out there for so
Exactly.
many
There
people who are
crying.
still
There are some people,
non-profitable.
they have lost a lot of money. And
they're not making money.
Exactly. That's why for me, if someone pays his money, and I always tell them after paying, I say, I'm not happy that because you have paid for my course. No. I'm going to be happy when you start making money in this market.
And you know
because
the
for
reward
me to
is
pay for
coming
my
back.
course and you lose that and you are not making money, that means I also scammed you.
Yeah, exactly.
Indirect, because I gave you the information that is not helping you.
Yes.
That's why every time they give me that man, I say, you guys, you have to make me proud. And they are always asking me, son of Sam, the information that you are giving us,
Is
trust
worth
me,
it.
my brother, we are going to make you proud.
And I can see from the
Even those guys that I received the free course that I told them on the internet, they are really making me proud. Even now I can die as a happy man when I see guys winning. There is a guy who sold me a TV and all that he was not having
I saw in the group.
And
he
bought
new trading.
That thing, it is more than $1 million.
He bought new trading
I think we
screens.
have to invite that that guy here. We have to invite her one day, then we discuss about that. That thing, it is more than $1 million. It is more than, even if you are going to pay me $1 million and you $300 and you fail to win, please stay with your money, because you are going to feel guilty and you are going to go there that you paid for Son of Sam and you failed to win. That's why I'm fighting and I'm using everything in my garage to see that my people who are in my VIP, I'm going to make them consistent, successful trader.
I know they are happy.
And I'm going to do that because I'm capable. I have the holy grail of trading.
Wow, guys, from the big man himself. Now, going as our closing remarks, what is the biggest lie social media tells about trading?
That it is a very quick get
rich scheme. Eh?
Get rich quick scheme. Yes, it is very wrong. And I always hear that at $50 you can become consistent successful trader. Yes, even me at $13 I can make you consistent successful.
But
trader.
It's not 13.
The effort that you put in, must be beyond extraordinary. I always call it, you have to be transcendent to succeed on this business. That's what I always use it 3 times in a year. Transcendent. So you have to be transcendent to succeed in this business. You are supposed to be beyond extraordinary. But trust me, with the right person, you can succeed. But there are very few on the internet. And sometimes I can even see the videos on YouTube. I say, but YouTube, you are also part of this scam. Why are you not pushing my video to reach on 1 million views so that I can save very many traders?
I know the ones who are watching, they can help spread the knowledge.
That is what, by the way, that is the only thing that we are going to save as a brothers and
Share
sisters.
the video, like it, comment it, down, invite other people to watch.
Share in all your groups so that people they can know that there is a man who was born on the area where there is no internet, who is called Son of Sam. He came in this industry to do cleansing. I'm the revolutionist. I'm like in trading. I'm like that guy of United States was Martin Luther King. We are the Martin Luther King of this industry. Because for me, I feel sad when I see people are breeding in this industry when I'm having the world grade of trading.
Yeah.
I know I can help many, and I'm going to use everything in my guide to do that because I'm having all facilitations. I can come here, I have something to eat. God is rewarding me. I win every day. I'm even expecting a withdrawal. When we are from here, I'm going to make a withdrawal. Imagine we're having all that time with unlimited credit card. That's why Nick every day she's becoming beautiful.
He's lying. Guys, so Mr. Rukundo, also, what is the one thing followers need to hear but won't like it? These traders.
If you have come here to make money in Forex trading,
they have to hear it, but they won't like it.
Yes, if you have come to get money in this business, your purpose is to get money here, go and do any other job, you are going to lose a lot. But if you know that you are going to come here to look for skills which are going to take quite some time, but trust me, the reward that you will get in the background, it is going to be one of the best. It is lifetime. Come here, we are going to find the way to help you and you become consistent, successful trader. We are not showing you big watches, we are not showing you cars, we are not showing you that we are in a big restaurant. We always go with Nicholas. Maybe we'll start posting those things.
Yeah, they should follow us on our social media platforms.
When we are eating a plate of almost $500, the whole good.
So, Rukundo, if someone is losing money following traders online, what should they do differently starting tomorrow? If you're losing money.
And it is the same reason that I've said. If you are losing money in this market,
following traders online.
Yes, you are following traders, you are looking for money. But if you decide to look for skills,
what should they do differently starting tomorrow?
And everyone who has watched this video, what you are going to do. Because you have asked me that question and someone is watching it. Starting with tomorrow, delete all Telegram groups you are in. You can even abuse.
I actually deleted mine, by the way. Talk about it. Back then when I started trading.
Delete everything, signal group that you are in.
You know, I can tell you.
And even if you want to abuse them, you will be satisfied.
You know,
come and sit down.
These questions were driven because I also experienced the same while I was starting trading.
Exactly.
I was following over like 100 Telegram channels that are doing trading, but I never gained anything there. Too much. I deleted each and everything.
And sometimes there is someone who said,
because they were not helping.
this is our temple. Don't allow any rubbish in. Are you understanding
Yeah.
it? Our brain, for them, our brain will never understand that this is a good thing or a bad thing.
Yeah.
What you feed your brain, it is what you are going to keep helping you
I know,
achieve
right?
what you are feeding it. That's why people get addicted on alcohol. Don't you think if the brain understands that alcohol is bad, do you think it's going to allow you to drink? But if you drink and you say that I'm happy, for the brain is going to give telling you craving alcohol, and you find yourself when you're addicted. So if you feed your brain the right information, you are going to be getting the right things. If you feed it rubbish, you are going to get rubbish. Choose wisely. Don't allow everyone to feed rubbish in your head. No risk, no Ferrari. That is stupidity. Don't allow it. One shot, one kill. But today we are waiting for NFP and we are going to make money. That is rubbish.
Someone told
you will
me-
never be rich on one trade.
Someone told me one time it was NFP and he was like, Nikki, I have this 50,000 Ugandan shilling. I have to make $50,000 tomorrow. If I don't, the market is going to die with me. Tell me what happened.
And that
Did
is,
he make the
with
money?
that mindset, that person will never get rich because he's telling his brain that I'm going to make money on a single trade, which is very wrong. Because for us, we know we win some, we lose some, as long as the outcome is income. We know we can take 20 trades, we lose like 5, but we win 15. If we are risking 1%, we are going to win 15%, minus 5%, we remain with 10%. That's how we became consistent, successful traders. We don't live and die on a single trade. We always trade and see our profit every after series of trades. Because we know in any single trade, you will never be winning it. But you know, because I'm having edge, I'm going to be winning every after series of trades.
Wow. Wow. You heard that, guys? We win after series of trades. We win, we lose, as long as the outcome is income. But after a series of trades. Now, Mr. Rukundo, to conclude, many people were asking, many of your followers were asking, they don't understand the series of trades. I know they've been on this channel for quite some time and they're following the Somali strategy videos and all that. Kindly elaborate small about the series. How can someone do this series? How do they come up?
And how do they come up? We all know that this is a numbers game. Trading is a game of probability. And to increase your chances of winning in this game of probability, you are supposed to be having what we call edge. Edge, those are the signals that helps you to enter in the market, which we call strategy. But that strategy can't help you to win every trade. But that strategy can help you to win every after bunches of trades because you are going to be having a weighed coin. If you're having one weighed coin, if you flip it every time, you are having higher chances the coin to come that side of weighed coin. And that weighed coin, it is what we call your edge that you're having. So that's why we say that trade in bunches or in a series of trades. Because edge will never help you to win every trade. But edge can help you to win every after series of trades. That means every time you press a trade, what do you expect? You expect nothing. Because you know I'm going to win after series of trades. You are not living and dying on a single trade. That means you are supposed to risk equal on each trade, and we risk in dollar values. If you are risking $50, risk $50, $50, $50. Because you can't risk $10, $50 here, because you can't know when you are going to win and when you are going to lose. If you can't know when you are going to lose and when you are going to win, that means you must risk equal. Then you see your profit every after series of trade, because you have the weight coin, which we call edge. That means you are going to win every after series of trades, so not that trade that you are in. So series of trades, why I tell people that you must trade in the series of trades, it's because you can't win every trade.
You can't die on a single trade.
Yes, even if you have which type of strategy, you will never win that strategy. So if I say trade in the sets of 20 trades, I'm trying to help you not to press that trade, then you start feeling the heart is you want to
praying to God.
If it doesn't win today,
I'm done.
that passion, I'm going to die with that market. Your market doesn't know that you even exist. That market doesn't know that there is even a trader in Uganda who is called the son of Sem.
I know, right?
They don't know that. Are you understanding it?
Yes.
So what does the market know? The market doesn't know anything. But because you have the edge, you have the way to coin, you are going to win every after series of trades. But that means you are supposed to risk equal on each trade. But it is a combination of all. Because with poor edge, still you will never make money. With poor risk management, you will never make money.
Yeah.
If you don't know how to think in probability,
So
you will
it's
never
a
make
bunch
money.
of things
If you
altogether.
don't run how to overcome self-sabotaging belief, you will never make money. That's why for me, I have what?
The Holy Grail
Of trading. And it is where? On this channel, YouTube. If you watch all the videos, at least you will be somewhere else. You will start seeing trading in a different way.
I know, right? So how much of trading success is mental versus technical?
And they
Trading success, how much of it is mental versus the technical bit on the chart?
Technical bit. And you have asked me one of the difficult question, and I always, when I always answer it, there was a parts of the body. They were always fighting. And the arm said, if I don't put that food in the mouth, do you think you are going to eat? Then the brain said, I'm the one who directs you, arm. Put that food in the mouth. So if I stop functioning, do you think which is going to win? Then even the others said, the heart said, if I stop pumping, all of you are going to die. So they reached on conclusion saying that we must work hand in hand to survive. That's why you put food in the mouth, you walk, they help each other. There is no complaint. All the parts of the body, when they are working with each
Everyone
other,
is doing their job.
Everyone is doing his job. So I can't say that technical analysis is good
Versus
or
mental
is bad. That is stupidity. If you see someone telling you that 90% of trading is psychology,
It's psychology.
how are you going to do with psychology when
Without
you have
the
poor edge?
Yeah, that is true.
But you have good edge, but you have poor risk management. What are you going to do with that risk management?
Yeah.
That means you have to reach on conclusion. You work hand in hand. And I've been telling you, that's why for me I'm having what we call...
The Holy Grail.
If you can't combine all that which I have in my Holy Grail of trading, you will never be consistent,
because the
successful
edge
trader.
alone can't help you if your risk management is bad.
Exactly.
The risk management can't help you.
When you have poor psychology.
Yes.
If you have good edge, but with poor psychology, still you are going to mess up.
Yeah, this is true.
They have to work like what?
Like the butts of the body.
Exactly. When you move hand in hand, they even enjoy it together, imagine.
I know, right? Yeah, because they've been synchronization.
Yes, there is what we call they have to sync together to make sure you achieve that goal. So there is no one who can say that good edge is going to help you to be a successful trader.
Yeah.
Risk management.
That's all you need is psychology.
Without risk
90% is psychology.
No, it is a combination of all.
Guys, I hope you're listening. We have the psychology, the self-sabotaging
But is there anyone
edge,
who can answer those questions like the way I've answered them
I
on
don't
the internet?
think. Indeed, you have the Holy Grail of trading.
Exactly.
Guys, you've been very good reviewers for today. I have a lot of questions to ask this man. And please, if you have any inquiry about the Musumali, anything you want to talk about with Mr. Rukundo, please come to our Telegram. It is easy to come in to conversate from there. If it takes long to answer you, please kindly DM me. I'm among the admins of the group. Please make use of me. You've been complaining that he's not answering your messages. Please, why are you not answering people's messages?
And the messages, they are many. By the way, yesterday, do you know I answered almost 2,000 messages. I'm also a human being. Sometimes I get tired. So I have those admins. I have the Mubiru's.
I'm here.
Especially Nikra. She's the best of the best. Mubiru address is the best
there.
Of the best. If you are in our Telegram group, utilize those people.
The admins are on the group. You can ask each and anybody there anything you want to know. You've been great viewers for today. Please kindly make use of this.
You can join our Telegram group, but don't expect signals. No, we
don't do signals.
They can help you become consistent.
So they might be there saying, but this group is quiet.
No, but our group is active.
But the group is active,
We have demo competition that are taking
they
place.
are ongoing.
And I always, once in a while, we talk, we jazz. I give them psychology tips.
And Mr. Rukundo, take us through your week. I know on Tuesday you have...
every Tuesday we always have live on YouTube. Monday, I'm always having Burton, and Wednesday, when we are giving you content, guys. One of the best directors is going to open one of... But Mr. Burton is going to open one of the biggest studios in the country, if not in the Africa. Then we have, then every Saturday I'm always with my VIP guys.
Yeah.
Tackling
Shout
all
out
the
to them. Shout out to your guys. Yeah, they believed in us from day one.
Yeah,
They're in our
the
VIP.
rollers,
They should
the
come to the comment
Lawrence,
section, by the way.
Everyone.
Tell them to come to the comment section
Yes,
to let these guys
the
know that.
VIParians, you have to come in the comment section.
The chosen
and
ones.
Yes, the chosen ones. And you tell people, if you are not enjoying, if I scammed you, I want you in the comment section.
Yes.
Tell people if I have scammed you. Or if you are really enjoying the fruits of your money that you paid. Someone to give you his $300, it is hard-earned money.
I know, right?
So you have not to take it for granted.
Yes.
Because for us where we grew up, sometimes we could go somewhere to look for salt, which costs almost $0.25.
I know, I can relate.
Cents, 2 cents, but you go somewhere to ask for someone's salt. So I have grown up somewhere deep, and I'm very humble.
Give them a special thank you.
Yes, so
our VIPs.
Yes, VIP. I can appreciate you are putting some my man on the table, but you found me when I was rich.
Yeah, you were eating kalo already.
I was already eating kalo. But I appreciate that because you believe in me, and good days are going to come. And not only VIParians.
Yes.
Even everyone who is following
in the
me
group,
is going to win. No matter what, it can take long, but one day you are going to arrive.
And for those ones who are taking part in our demo competitions, thank you so much for participating, but you guys are not following the rules. Every time I'm telling you, follow the rules, you don't listen. Now you see, you're repeating. Why are they repeating? Over and over. Someone has bought over like 5 accounts. They are not passing. Every now they're like, Nikki, I've failed again.
And I always tell people when they inbox me, son of Sam, I've lost like 3 demo accounts. And I tell him, there is something you are doing wrong. You see, to become a consistent, successful trader, you understand the right things.
But at the same time, we have those ones who have passed over like 4 times.
Yes, because they know what to do. They have learned what to do. They know what to do. To become a consistent, successful trader, you learn what to do, and you even learn how to do it.
Shout out to Andomi O, one of the most, the biggest participant of Son of Sam demo competitions. The guy has passed over like 5 times.
Yes, and he knows what to do. He knows what to do. So guys, I was Rukundo, son of Sam. Even if you like your sister, you can't get married together.
I know, right? Shout out to you guys. Thank you for watching.
You have to leave him so that he can go
forget,
and cook for Mr. Bolton.
Yes, don't forget to join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to follow Mr. Rukundo on his Instagram account, Rukundo Son of Sam, TikTok, me as well, Nikrash256, everywhere.